Okay, you can start now.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Sorry. Shuklam Varadharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantaye Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Saha Viryankaravavahai Tejasvi Navaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद महोदय. Let me screen share करोमि. एक निमिषम्.
Harsha Mahoday, could the coming Fridays, will we have class with you or not? Please confirm,
No.
because I have to change my working work from home because of that.
No, this Friday we don't have it.
No,
But
but
I think
next
everyone says that Wednesday is good.
no, but
Wednesday.
confirm me whenever you want to have class, because Wednesday I think I won't be able to, because I have to go and pick my son. I have to go in maybe in 15-20 minutes. I will listen, but I won't be able to speak.
Oh,
For
so
me,
let
it's Tuesday or
after the
Friday.
class we discuss and decide. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let me screen share करोमि. Okay. Just let me know if you see the screen.
Yes, now we can see this.
You can see, right?
Yes.
So कः अस्ति? So alphabetically arrange. Okay. Who is going first? Can you see who is going first? Let me see. Okay.
बृहत् करोमि
So
प्रथमे.
Prashant, Rajashri, Ruku and Sudha. Okay. And Anya kopi agachati chet, let me know.
Okay.
What happened?
Oh,
Okay. So Gatadine, yes, Yadine, Vayam Pathitvan up to did. So this is a Prashant Mohoday, this is a Nijantam
Acha.
Rupam we are studying. Okay, so if you want, you can see some of the Mata Mahi Dohitram Katham Shravayati. Shru is given, so Shravayati. Mama Sakase Pustakam Nasti Tvam Mahyam Ekam Da Dhatu. So Nijantan Rupam Kim Dapayati, right? But atra tvam is a madhyama purusha ekvachanam, and atra lot lakaram prayog karaniyam, right? We are asking something. Krupaya give me this. कृपया
Okay.
मह्यं पुस्तकं ददातु, something like that. So that's why it's a दापयः. And other यः आचार्यः किं पठ धातु, so कृदन्तरूपं योजितवान् अत्र. So पाठितवान्. यदि वयं लकाररूपं योजनीयं, केन् यू से किं लकाररूपं वदतु? पठ
ये
इति धातु.
लट लट नहीं लट
पठ
लंग
पठ
लकार होगा।
धातु.
हाँ पठ धातु।
ओके, प्रथमं लट् लकारे प्रथमपुरुष एकवचनं किं भवति निजन्तं रूपं?
Like that, like Nijantan, I haven't revised right now.
अत्र वयं दृष्टवन्तः श्रावयति, रैट्?
पाठयति।
आम्, पाठयति. किन्तु अत्र ह्यः मीन्स् yesterday.
हाँ।
तो कीदृशं लकार आगच्छति?
Like the past, it would be yes.
So लङ् लकार. So
लंग लकार।
पाठयति, तस्य लङ् लकाररूपं किम्?
पठितवान जैसे।
हाँ, पाठितवान्
पाठितवान हाँ।
कृदन्तरूपं. लङ् लकाररूपं किम्?
अपठत no?
पाठयत्. ओके.
Yeah.
ओके. राजश्री महोदय अग्रिमं करोतु.
नमस्ते महोदय.
नमस्ते.
पाठितवान् अपाठयत् न? ओके.
He did that.
कुत्र अस्ति?
वृक्षतः. टाइपो अस्ति.
फलानि डैश् वानरः अखादत्. वृक्षतः फलानि I'm not able to. Can somebody do this? I'll do the next one.
रुकु महोदय.
Patitani, but that's not a Nijanta Rupa.
So निजन्तं रूपं किम्?
Nijanta
पद् धातुः.
Patayitani.
Right.
Patayitani Vanarah Akhadat. So the niyamaha iti adivriddhihi. So patiti, and then the ikara, and then aya iti nich pratyaya yojaniya.
So रूपं किम्?
So patayitani, I'm न जानामि, but patayi tani because it's napumsaka palani iti padasya visheshanam and dvitiya vibhakti bahuvachana rupam. So I thought it was patayitani, but I'm not sure. Or patitani will be not a nijanta rupa though.
किन्तु अत्र वृक्षतः पंचमी विभक्ति, फलानि कर्मपदम, राइट. सो अत्र द्वे वाक्याः सन्ति वृक्षतः फलानि
No, that's
पतति
why I said patayitani. They were made to fall.
no, but this is we are nijantan rupam, so
Yeah.
that's only kriya padam only, not a
Phalani
Srimantam.
patayanti then tataha. Well, but see, okay. See, patayati is a latlakara roopam. Latlakare prathama purushaha ekavachanam.
आम्
परन्तु अहम् उक्तवती पातयितानि. So that is wrong.
wrong.
Sadhu? No?
No, asadu.
Oh, okay.
Patayitani is not any kriya padam rupam.
No, but I was using a Visheshanam for Vrikshataha Pala. Okay. Okay. So Dve Vakye Santi Tatra Astaha Tatra. Oh, Astu.
द्वे
Vrikshataha.
वाक्ये
Okay.
like सः वृक्षतः फलानि
Okay.
पातयति.
Astu. So Vrikshataha Phalani Patayanti. निजन्तरूपं पातयन्ति वानरः अखादत्
कथं पातयन्ति?
पातयन्ति वानरेण पातयन्ति.
No, they did not say who is doing this, right?
Yeah, but you I thought you wanted
And अत्र वानरः अपि
no, I thought you wanted
एकवचने अस्ति.
no, I thought you wanted a nijanta rupa. That's why I was giving that.
Yeah,
See,
so patayati is only right.
no, but patayati is a singular, it's a ekavachanam. Oh, no, but still, patayati is so vanaraha phalani patayati akadat. No, you can't say akadat and then patayati at the same time because akadayat is the subsequent action subsequent to patayati.
Right.
So
Right.
apatayat akadat. So vanaraha vrikshataha palani apatayat akadat. Tat sadhu va? Padayati na sadhu. Apatayat.
Apatayat eva.
Apatayat.
Yeah.
I didn't understand the question, but apatayat. Because see, akadat is an action subsequent to the falling. So if it's akadat is already in the lung lakara, you have to use lung lakara for the patayati. So it should be apatayat.
Let me see. Because so otherwise we have to ask someone.
I think apatayat must be right.
Rajashri Mahodaya, bhavati uktavati kopi na shruyate samyak.
Rohini Mahodaya said. Rohini Mahodaya said something. Actually, it's not clear whether it is one sentence or two sentences.
Yeah, that's why I said, that's why I used the.
So maybe saha vrukshata falani patiyati and vanara akhadat, something like that also it can be happen.
It can be vrikshataha phalani vanaraha vrikshataha phalani patayati vanaraha akadat.
No, but padayati is in, that's what I'm saying, padayati is in latlakara.
No, but
Latlakara rupa.
If it is vanaraha, it will be patayati only.
No,
Vanaraha patayati.
but akadat has come.
No, that is another sentence.
Yeah, but okay.
If it is a different sentence, it will be say saha vrikshataha palani patayati, then vanaraha akadat. Or if it is one sentence, then as you said, it will become Visheshanam. Palani
Okay.
patayitani vanaraha akadat.
Okay. Okay. Astu.
That's what I think.
Maybe we can write patayitva. Vrukshata falani patayitva.
Yes, that's good. That's
That's
fine.
good, right?
That's good. That's
That
good.
is correct.
Patayitva is good.
Okay, let me change this.
I think that is very correct.
I think that's correct. Yeah. That tadapi, that tadapi,
Patayitva. Okay.
patayitva is a good suggestion.
No,
It's a
no,
good
the sentence
compromise.
must be a bit changed. Vrikshataha patitva vararaha palani akadat.
Correct.
That must be better.
Huh? Kim Rohini Mohade?
Vrikshataha patayitva vanaraha palani akadat.
Astu. Aham karomi va idani. Then I think Rohini or whatever. Okay. Balika patam vismritavati agraja tam patam agraja smarayatiya.
Smarayati.
Katam janimah which lakare kritam iti?
Agraja tam patam smaritavati.
Right.
Smarayati api sadhu eva.
Yeah. So Vismrutvati is given. So we can put a
Smaritavati.
Right.
Smaritavati.
So I think then I have to change in that also. Smaritavati.
द्वे उत्तरे अपि साधु एव स्मारयति अपि साधु
Smarayati is also.
स्मारयति स्मारितवती अपि साधु एव
I think Smaritvati is the best answer.
No, Smaritavati is to remind, no? If someone else...
कथं जानीमः विच् लकारः उपयोजनीयं तत्र इति I mean, how do we know what they are expecting?
See, vayam kim karaniyam, vayam like atra yaha is diyate, right?
Tatra.
So we can make it out that it's a past tense. So we can write apathayat or pathitvan.
Okay. So
I think Krutantrupa is more comfortable to us.
No. But what is the test expecting us to do?
We don't know.
Smaritavati must be most apt.
Atra Vismurtvati is diyate. So we can write
not only that, Agraja tam patam smaritavati. She makes her remember it.
Yeah. Maybe I think Smarayati api sadhu. What do you think?
No, tam patam smaritavati. She reminds it to the Balika. That is Smarayati is for herself. Smaritavati is made to remember.
Rohini Mohade bhavati karoti agrima.
Rajakaha garbhadena adhikam bharam vahati.
Right. So Rajakaha gardabhena adhikam bhar vahati. So nijanta
Vahati for vahadatu vahayati.
Am.
Vahayati.
I had to pay Ashu the toll to jump on his pee bag.
Okay, Sudha
Sweet.
He
Mahoday.
was actually had to give something,
Okay.
and I gave these to him.
That is very cute. Very.
Okay, Sudha Mahoday, bhavati. Agrimam karotu.
पिता पुत्रं विद्यालयं गमयति
Am. So gam
गम
dhatu
नं ब्रं ब्रं
nijanta rupani gamayati.
गमयति
Prashant Mahoday.
I want to keep it with Patty so I don't lose it. But I don't
Prashant Mahoday karoti.
I'm
I have to leave. I'll keep listening. I have to go and pick up my son.
Okay, okay. Chinta mastu.
I'll do.
Rajashri Mahoday.
Saha mam geetam shravayati.
सर्वे अपि लट्लकारे
Rohini Mahoday.
अग्रजः भगिनीं गृहं what is the form over there? I don't know.
Oh, aap dhatu.
For aap.
Aapayati, right?
Aapayati?
Pa is there, right?
Okay, then it must be graham prapayati.
Prapayati.
I don't remember the aap.
Okay, Ruku Mahoday.
भगिनी गोपालं क्षीरं धातोः निजन्तरूपं it is पिबति
It's a Vishesha dhatu. Vishesha dhatu.
yeah, pibasati or something.
No.
No. Oh God.
We are
Pibasa.
making mix up Sanadi and
That's right. Pibasa. So wait.
so pa dhatu kim karaniyam, akara dhatu kim karaniyam, kasya agama asti akara dhatu.
Padat. Oh God, no janami Mahodaya. I haven't reviewed anything yet.
No, look at the da dhatu.
Dapi dapayati, right? Dapi da, but it is not papiyati.
That's why it's a special. So little change. Only little change. Later. Only instead of pa, I think ya yojaniyam.
That is payati.
Payati.
Payayati.
Oh.
So only for pa dhatu, it's a special rupam, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Remember, otherwise, akaranta dhatu asti chet, pakarasya agama bhavati.
So it's dirgha akara, like da pa, right? Are there harasva akara dhatu asti va?
Rasvakara means pat dhatu, to rasvakara.
That's
so
fine.
tatra vruddhi karaniyam, pathayati, pathi iti bhavati dhatu.
For da it is dapayati Magade.
Dapayati.
Dapayati. Whereas here it is payayati.
Sudha Mahoday bhavati agrimam karotu.
Payayati.
Sudha Mahoday. Asti va?
अहं म्यूट् मध्ये अस्मि. I did not check.
Okay.
जनकः पुत्रं युतकं दृश् दर्शयति.
Okay, now Prashant Mahoday left. So Rajeshri Mahoday, Bhavati Karotu. This is Sanadi Pratyaya.
Aptum icha. Chikirsha va?
No.
न जानम्.
Okay. Rohini Mahoday, Bhavati Janati va?
Jignasa. No.
No.
That is Jnatum icha. Kartum icha is Chikirsha. Okay. Aptum icha is Ap. I don't know.
Yeah, because we cannot guess in Sanadi Pratyaya. Rohini Mahoday Janati va?
No, Magadya. Sanadi, I didn't even attend the class. I don't know.
Okay.
I have to
Rupu
learn it.
Mahoday?
But anything. I didn't attend the class.
Okay. What about Sudha Mahoday?
न महोदय.
Ipsa.
Huh?
Ipsa.
Ipsa.
Ipsa,
Okay. Okay.
Ipsa.
Yeah. So Rajeshri Mahoday, agreemam karotu.
Dad is okay.
Sagaram. I did this Aptum icha. Should I do it again? Aham Aptum icha kritavati. Etadapi karomi va?
But nobody knows, right?
Oh, acha, okay. Sagaram titirshuhu saha jalam
Jale.
Oh, taritum icha. Titirshuhu is taritum icha.
Taritum icha agachati.
Taritum ichuhu titirshuhu.
Okay. Kasya Rohini Mahoday.
Aham Sanskritam Vipatishami. That is Patitum icha.
Patitum icha va?
Am I right? I don't know.
No. Pi patishami. So patitum icha. Kintu atra mi asti.
But it's, I don't know. Magadya. Okay.
Patitum pi patishati asti chet patitum icha. Kintu atra pi patishami.
So patitum ichami. Okay.
So vayam tad drashtum yogyam uttaram likhamah. Okay. So patitum ichami. Okay. Ruku Mahoday. Jigrusha.
Jidhriksha. Dhr dhatu is like dharati, right? Jidhriksha is haritum.
No. No, Mahoday. In Sanadi Pratyaya, you cannot guess from.
Guess.
No. Uhum kartum na shakyate.
Na?
Na.
So it's not dhr dhatu.
No.
I think that is Dvitvam Bhavati and then Idagamaha Bhavati, na?
No.
Oh, okay.
Didriksha.
Didriksha.
Hmm.
So kaha dhatuhu tatra?
Tatra graha dhatu, grahitum
No,
icha.
that is not ga, that is dha.
Gha.
Oh, what is
Yeah.
written there? It looks like, oh, okay. So I thought it was, oh, G. So G comes, it should be gra. Okay. So grahitum ikcha. Okay. Astu. See, I thought it was dhr. That's why I said dharitum, but grahitum. But, if it is dha, G will not come. Because see, G, the Chakara Deshaha comes only for Kavarga Dhatoho. Yeah.
I don't know this. I cannot be open.
No, see, it looks like dha to me, not ga.
Yeah.
That's why. Okay. But I understand. When I say the G, I should know that it should be gra, kavarga dhatuhu and na dhavarga. Okay.
Sudha Mohoday bhavati karoti va?
त्वं किं कार्यं चिकीर्षसि कर्तुम् इच्छसि चिकीर्षसि
I don't know. Something went wrong over here. I don't know. What is wrong? No. I don't know what is wrong. Oh no. See, mama samipe computer knowledge nasti. I don't know. Okay, it was not coming up. Okay. Bubhukshuhu. Kasyaha avsar? Rajeshri Mohoday, right? अस्ति वा भवती? Rajeshri Mohoday? अस्ति वा? Maybe, okay, Rohini Mohoday, bhavati karotu.
It is Bubhukshuhu. That is Bhunktum Icha. I don't know.
Okay, Bhoktum Icha va? Bubhukshuhu. I think typo is there. Bubhukshuhu.
Bubhukshuhu.
So, Bhoktum Icha asti chet Bubhuksha.
Bubhuksha.
So, Bubhukshu. So, Bhoktum
Ichu.
Ichu.
I don't know. Something went wrong, so I cannot able to do this. I don't know. Okay. Atra likhati. Tasya lagu guru chinha karaniyam.
Oh.
Okay. So,
okay.
Ruku Mohoday.
Likhati. Likhati is laghu. Kha is laghu. Ti api laghu.
So, traya api laghu asti chet kim gana?
Kim gana?
Nagana. Okay. Sudha Mohoday, pariksha.
This is definitely a pariksha for me. Pa laghu, Ri guru, and Ksha guru. Laghu, Guru, Guru. Yaratana bhajasama yaganaha. Yaganaha.
Okay. Rajeshri Mohoday, Bhavati Karotu.
So Yaratana Bhajasama?
No, Yamata Raj Bhan Salgam. You have to remember that. Then only you can make it out.
Mahodaye, I learn it as Yaratana bhajasama. That's easier for me.
Yeah,
Yaratana
that is
bhajasama.
easy. Really
Okay.
easy.
Then
Yeah,
it's
Yaratana
okay.
bhajasama is easier.
So ya is Lagu Guru Guru.
Yeah.
Okay. Yaratana Bhajasama.
And then
for me too. Yeah, for me too, it is easier. Yeah.
easy. Yaratana bhajasama.
Yeah. Good. Thank you.
Yeah. So
Yeah, Adi.
Rajeshri Mohoday asti va?
1 minute. Which one should I do?
Vinayaha.
V is Lagu. Na is Lagu. Yaha is Guru.
Kaha gana?
1 minute. Lagu. Guru. That will be Lagu Guru. Saganava.
Samyak va? Sudha Mohoday?
Mahodaye.
Okay. Rohini Mohoday, Bhavati Karotu.
Trini Vaha. Trini Vaha. That is Guru, and Guru.
Kaha gana? Magana. Okay. Ruku Mohoday.
Mahodaya Prashnaha. Vinayah Saganaha va Raganaha va?
Which one?
Ragana?
No, Ragana nasti. Ragane prathamam Guru asti.
Guru asti. Okay. The other way. Okay. Astu. Okay. So pranamya. So pra is laghu. Na parantu guru because of the samyukta akshara. So laghu guru laghu. Laghu guru laghu. So jagana. Jagana.
Okay. Sudha Mohoday.
Janasi Guru Laghu. Guru Laghu. Okay. Taganam. Taganam. Taganaha.
Prashnaha. So see avasane guruhu iti Ramahodaya uktavan. Avasane means padante, not padante, padante guruhu, not padante.
Kintu atra padanta nasti. It's only.
There's no pada, it's just a pada. Okay. So,
yeah.
Okay.
Mahodaya, even I understood it that way. In all the shlokas, all the padyas, the padante guru bhavati iti
Yeah.
aham manye. But Bhanu Mahadaya again explained that most of the cases it happens that way, but it is not necessary that all padas end in guru.
Oh, really?
So
Yeah, he said that. Yeah.
vikalpena guru bhavati.
Vikalpena.
Yeah. I remember the word.
So atra pad is not given, the full padas.
So, but
right?
this is not pada. It is just pada. It's
Pada.
just the word. Yeah, pada. So yeah, no, it makes sense. Yeah.
Okay.
I just want to verify. Okay.
Okay. So I think now we can do the some vanchanam from our things.
Samskrita, whatever.
So pratamam पाठे संस्कृत ग्रंथकार परिचयः अस्ति. So
that was very simple, Mahodaya. Very simple.
Yeah, it's a very simple.
That was very simple. So maybe you should read the next one. This is extremely simple.
No, but
it's about
prashnah pruchanti, right?
I don't no. No, tatra datam. You need not pay much attention to the minute details. Tatra datam api.
Kutra?
Tatra, see, there's an English, say, do read the passage and try to follow, but you need not pay minute attention. That's what.
Attention to minute details.
Minute details. And then it is so simple that, I think we can skip that, it's
Okay.
more.
So then, second chapter, you want to go?
Dvitiya pate yadasti.
Sanskrit Sahitya Parichaya.
Yeah.
So,
Itihasah.
Ramayana Pathatu Kasyaha Usara Rajeshri Mahoday, right?
Page 40.
Pushta Sankhya Chatvarinshत्. So Rajeshri Mahoday Pathitum Shakyate va bhavati? Then Rohini Mahoday, if she is not there. Rohini Mahoday bhavati Pathitum Shakyate va?
Hello? Ready?
Pushta Sankhya Chatvarinshत्.
No.
No, okay.
I'm searching my book. I couldn't find it.
Okay, Ruku Mahoday bhavati.
Okay. Gadya Kavyam. Samskrita Sahitya Parichayah. Gadya Kavyam. Kavyam Dvividham. Gadyam Padyam Cha iti Cheti. Shlokamayam Padyam. Tad Bhinnam Kavyam Gadyam. Gad Vyaktayam Vachi. Dhatutaha Gadyam iti Shabdaha Nishpannaha. Samanyataha प्रादेशिकभाषासु पद्यमेव काव्यम् इति व्यवहारः दृश्यते. संस्कृते तु गद्यमपि काव्यम् इति परिगण्यते.
So atra kavya dvividha santi, gadyam padyam. Kavyam dvividha staha. Gadyam padyam. Okay, Sudha Mahoday bhavati pathitum shakyate va?
Mahoday. Gadya kavya rachananam padyasya iva adhikaha niyamaha na santi. Tathapi gadya rupena likitam sarvamapi kavyamiti na manyate. Gadya kavyasya shaili ramaniya bhavet. Varnanam रसपोषणं पात्रपोषणम् इत्यादिकं सर्वम् अपि परस्परं पूरकं भवेत् स्वेच्छया कश्चित् किञ्चित् गद्यरूपेण लिखति चेत् तत् काव्यं न भवति गद्यकाव्यं लेखितुमपि प्रतिभा परिश्रमः च आवश्यकः दोषरहितं रसभरितं काव्यम् एव सहृदयानां श्लाघनं प्राप्नोति अतः एव उक्तं गद्यं कवीनां निकषं वदन्ति इति गद्यकाव्यस्य रचनया एव कवेः कवित्वशक्तेः परीक्षा भवति इति तस्य वाक्यस्य अर्थः निकषः सुवर्णस्य परीक्षार्थं प्रयुज्यमाना शिला
सो अत्र परीक्षायां किम् अस्ति शॉर्ट नोट्स पञ्च षट् वाक्यानि लिखन्तु सो तत्र मध्ये गद्यकाव्यं what is गद्यकाव्यं so we at least supposed to know 5 or 6 sentence for that right maximum 10 sentence so I think over here they can ask this kind of things okay and let me read now some then Rohini Mohadev will okay गद्य काव्ये प्रधानतया ओजो गुणः भवेत् समास भूयस्त्वम् ओजो गुणस्य लक्षणम् समासकरणेन अल्पेः शब्दैः एव अधिकः विषयः वक्तुं शक्यते इत्येव अधिकतया समासः उपयुज्यते कविः दण्डी एवम् उक्तवान् ओजः समास भूयस्त्वम् एतद् गद्यस्य जीवितम् इति so vayam this manasi स्थापनीयं कविः दण्डी एवम् उक्तवान् ओजः समास भूयस्त्वम् एतद् गद्यस्य जीवितम् अर्थः कः समास भूयस्त्वम् ओजो गुणस्य लक्षणम्
महोदय पृष्ठसङ्ख्या किम् अस्ति
40
अस्तु
भवती पठितुं शक्यते वा
एकनिमिषं महोदय
आम्
40
समासस्य लक्षणः कः सो ओजो गुणः
अस्ति
चत्वारि पैराग्राफ् पद्मकाव्यस्य लास्ट पैराग्राफ् on that page
पद्यकाव्यस्य अपेक्षया गद्यकाव्ये विषयान् वर्णयितुं कवेः अधिकं स्वातन्त्र्यं विद्यते पद्यकाव्यं श्लोकरूपेण भवति इति कारणेन तत्र नियमाः अधिकाः नियमानां परिधौ एव कविना शब्दाः प्रयोक्तव्याः भवन्ति नियमानां परिधौ एव परिधौ
Paridhi is limit within that
limit
okay गद्यकाव्यस्य एतादृशाः नियमाः न सन्ति इति कारणेन स्वस्य इच्छानुसारं शब्दान् प्रयोक्तुं शक्नोति कविः
okay so I think सर्वे वयं सर्वे जानीमः, right? Nothing to say much. रोहिणी महोदय, भवती अद्यं पठितुं शक्यते वा?
No, the book is not here with me.
ओके, रुकु महोदय.
केचन गद्यकाव्यं कथा आख्यायिका च इति द्विधा विभजन्ते. कथायाः वस्तु काल्पनिकम्, आख्यायिकायाः वस्तु इतिहासप्रसिद्धञ्च भवति इति ते तयोः भेदं प्रकल्पयन्ति.
So वयं सर्वे मनसि स्थापनीयं that गद्यकाव्य द्वे विधाः स्तः, कथा आख्यायिका च. कथा काल्पनिकम्, आख्यायिका इतिहासप्रसिद्धम्. सुधा महोदय, भवती.
बाणभट्टेन रचितं कादम्बरी नाम काव्यं कथायाः उदाहरणम्. हर्षचरितं नाम काव्यम् आख्यायिकायाः उदाहरणम्.
वयं सर्वे द्वयोः काव्यं द्वयोः लेखकं नाम मनसि स्थापिता. तत्र जोडाक्षर means match the following.
एकः प्रश्नः अस्ति महोदय. आख्यायिका इत्युक्ते incident or something that happened?
Yes.
आख्यायिका च इति.
And it's Itihasa.
Yeah. No. So the Akyayika is a meaning real incident. I don't know what it means really.
Yeah, real incident. Real incident. Okay. Whereas in Katha, there is a novel.
It's a kalpana, your own imagination.
Imagination, right.
Yeah.
So, kasya mama avsara. पद्यकाव्यस्य इव गद्यकाव्यस्यापि इतिहासः प्राचीनः. व्याकरणमहाभाष्ये पतञ्जलिना, वासवदत्ता, सुमनोत्तरा, भैमरथी इत्यादयः आख्यायिकाः इति उल्लिखिताः. किन्तु एतानि गद्यकाव्यानि न कुत्रापि अद्यपर्यन्तम् उपलब्धानि. So vayam sarve, this is also mansi stapniyam, because in the match the following they can ask anything.
Okay.
Okay. So now Rajeshri Mahoday. Sadyah.
Where should I read? Sorry.
Sadyah, 41 page.
Kechana Gadyakavyam, that is done, no?
Nine. Sadyah uplabhyamaneshu.
Oh, Sadyah upalabhyamaneshu. Gadya.
Thank you.
Sadyah upalabhyamaneshu Gadyakavyeshu Subandhoho Vasavadattha eva Prachinatamam Kavyam. एतस्याः कथा काल्पनिका. काल्पनिकी. अनन्तरकालीनेषु गद्यकाव्येषु बाणस्य, कादम्बर्याः, हर्षचरितस्य च विशिष्टं स्थानमस्ति. बाणस्य वर्णनकौशलं तु अद्वितीयम्. तस्य लोकज्ञानं, विषयस्य सूक्ष्मावलोकनसामर्थ्यं च महत् आसीत् इति तस्य काव्ययोः अध्ययनेन ज्ञायते. कादम्बरी काव्यस्य वस्तु काचित् काल्पनिका कथा. हर्षचरितम् इति इतिहासप्रसिद्धस्य राज्ञः हर्षवर्धनस्य विषये लिखिता आख्यायिका. आख्यायिका means what?
Akhyayika means Ityas Prasiddham.
Real, no. Akyayika means real incident, something that happened,
Astu.
and usually that is obtained from a itihasam.
So see, atra manasi sthapyitva, like Banabhattasya, right? So they also ask for Granthakara Parichaya, like short note. बाणभट्टेन विषय लिखतु, हर्ष विषयन लिखतु, like that. So in that we can include that. So I think we can make us some 5-6 sentence short notes for each Granthakara.
गद्यकाव्येषु बाणस्य कादम्बर्याः हर्षचरितस्य च विशिष्टं स्थानम् अस्ति. बाणस्य वर्णकौशलं तु अद्वितीयं. तस्य लोकज्ञानं विषयस्य.
So we can write this thing that his Varnanam Kaushalam Aditiyam. So like that, small sentence.
I think Banabhatta's works, these two are Kadambari and Harshacharitam.
No, Harshacharitam is Likhitam by बाण भट्टेन रचित कादंबरी कथाया उदाहरण, हर्षचरित नाम काव्य आख्यायिका उदाहरण. हर्षचरितम I think Sri Harsh लिखितम, right? और बाण भट्ट.
Feeling Banabhatta wrote Harshacharitam. I'll just check.
हर्षचरितम अपि बाण भट्टेन रचितम.
Yeah. No.
Banabhatta.
Banasya.
Both
written by same author. Yeah.
Okay, Harshacharitam api. Then we have to remember, because they are Harshacharitam, they are asking, or Sri Harsha.
Dvitiya Vakyam. Banasya Kadambaryaha Harshacharitasya. So both of them were written in Kannada.
Whereas one is Akhyayika Rachana, the other one is Itihasa. So he has done both.
Okay, let me know. Dandinaha Avanti Sundari Katha, Dashkumar Charitam, Dhanapalasya Tilaka Manjari, Vadibha Sinhasya, Gadya Chintamanihi, इत्यादिनी अन्यानि प्रसिद्धानि गद्य काव्यानि. इदानीं राजश्री महोदय. रूप महोदय भवती वदतु.
गद्यकाव्यं कीदृशं भवति इति ज्ञापयितुं तत्र निजन्तप्रयोजम्. अत्र हर्षचरितसङ्ग्रहः नामकात् ग्रन्थात् उद्धृतः कश्चन भागः दीयते. I'll just read the next sentence.
Okay.
श्रीकण्ठजनपदे पुष्पभूतिः नाम राजा आसीत्. कदाचित् सः शैवगुरुं भैरवाचार्यं द्रष्टुं सङ्कल्पं करोति. अनन्तरं do you want me to read it or what do you want me to?
Okay, read.
Okay. अपरेद्युश्च प्रातरेव उत्थाय वाजिनम् अधिरुह्य कतिपयैः एव राजपुत्रैः परिवृतः भैरवाचार्यं द्रष्टुं प्रतस्थे. गत्वा च किञ्चिदनन्तरम् अभिमुखं आपतन्तं भैरवाचार्यशिष्येषु अन्यतमम् अप्राक्षीत् च क्व भगवान् आस्ते इति। सः अकथयत् अस्य जीर्णमातृगृहस्य उत्तरेण बिल्ववाटिकाम् अध्यास्ते इति। राजा गत्वा च तं प्रदेशम् अवततार प्रविवेश च बिल्ववाटिकाम्।
ओके, सुधा महोदय।
अथ महतः कार्पटिकवृन्दस्य मध्ये प्रातरेव स्नातम् अनुष्ठिताग्निकार्यं व्याघ्रचर्मणि उपविष्टम् अबहुभाषिणं मन्दहासिनं सर्वोपकारिणं कुमारब्रह्मचारिणं धाम धर्मस्य पत्तनं पूततायाः शालां शीलस्य क्षेत्रं क्षमायाः आकरं करुणा समाजं सौजन्यस्य भगवन्तं साक्षात् इव विरूपाक्षं भैरवाचार्यं ददर्श. Did I read Sanskrit just now?
That is very pretty. That is beautiful.
भवती सम्यक् पठति। भैरवाचार्यस्तु दुरादेव राजानं दृष्ट्वा प्रयुत्य जगाम समर्पित श्रीफलोपायनश्च गम्भीर्या गिरा स्वस्ति शब्दम् अकरोत्। नरपतिः अपि दुरावनतः प्रणामं चकार। आचार्योऽपि आगच्छ अत्र उपविश इति शार्दूलचर्मम् आत्मीयम् अदर्शयत्। राजश्री महोदय अस्ति वा? भवती पठितुम् इच्छति वा? ओके, रूपमहोदय।
उपदर्शितप्रश्रयस्तु राजा मधुरसमयीं प्रवर्तयन् व्याचं व्याजहार। भगवान्, नार्हसि माम् अन्यनृपालान् इव भावयितुम्। अभूमिः अयम् उपचाराणाम् अलम् अतियन्त्रणया दूरस्थितोऽपि मनोरथशिष्योऽयं भवताम्। माननीयं च गुरुवत् न उल्लङ्घनमर्हति गुरोः आसनम्। आसताम् च भवन्तः एव अत्र इति। एवं व्याहृत्य राजा परिजनो चेति वाससि निशसाद। भैरवाचार्योऽपि प्रीत्या अनतिक्रमणीयं नृपवचनम् अनुवर्तमानः पूर्ववत् तदेव व्याघ्राजिनम् अभजत। It's very nicely written. I want to read the whole story.
Okay, Sudha Mode.
I'm unable to follow many of the words here.
Yeah.
Granthika Bhasha.
Yeah, it's very high level.
High level.
No, I thought it was very sarala. No?
No, not sarala.
Sarala?
No.
We have to pay attention. We have to sit quiet.
Yeah. Read it again and again.
It's a different
Again
language,
and
but
again.
I thought it was
But
very...
I think they are not asking anything from this. So far, I didn't see anything. Okay.
आसीने च सराजके परिजने शिष्यजने च समुचितम् अर्ध्यादिकं चक्रे क्रमेण च नृपमाधुर्यापहृतान्तः करणः उवाच तात अतिनम्रता एव ते कथयति गुणानां गौरवं सकलसम्पत् पात्रम् असि जन्मनः प्रभृति अदत्तदृष्टिः अस्मि स्वापतेयेषु धनैः अविक्रीतं क्वचित् शरीरकम् अस्ति भैक्षरक्षिताः सन्ति प्राणाः कष्टेन उपार्जितानि कतिचित् विद्यन्ते विद्याक्षराणि भगवच्चिव भट्टारक सेवया भगवत् शिव भट्टारक सेवया शिव that is भगवच्चिव भट्टारक सेवया समुपार्जिता कियतत्यपि सन्निहिता पुण्यकणिका स्वीक्रियतां यदत्र उपयोगार्हम् इति.
राजा तु तं प्रत्यब्रवीत् भगवान् युष्मदर्शनात् उपार्जितम् एव अपरिमितं कुशलजातम् इति विविधाभिश्च कथाभिः चिरं स्थित्वा गृहम् अगात्. अन्यस्मिन् दिवसे भैरवाचार्योऽपि राजानं द्रष्टुं ययो. तस्मै च राजा सान्तःपुरं सपरिजनं सकोशम् आत्मानं निवेदितवान्. स च विहस्य तात क्व विभवाः क्व च वयं वनवर्धिताः इति उक्त्वा स्थित्वा च किञ्चित् कालं जगाम.
कञ्चित् कालं.
अत्र दीयते गद्यं सदापि समास भूयिष्ठं सन्धिसहितं च भवति. अर्थबोधः सुलभतया भवतु इति उद्देशेन अत्र हर्षचरितसंग्रहस्थ भागः स्वीकृतः, न तु मूल हर्षचरितस्थः. पठनसौख्यार्थं सन्धिविच्छेदः सर्वत्र कृतः अस्ति. So we have to do
This is
the
a Sangraha, it is not the actual Harshacharita.
This is an abridged one.
Yeah, they told you in the beginning itself. They told you. Harshacharita Sangraha Namakat Grantat. Uktam.
So Gadyakavyam कीदृशं भवति तत् example अस्ति. This is
Samasta Padayuktam.
Hope we don't have to read this.
No. I don't think so. So far, I did not see anything from this.
Okay.
But just what is Gadya Kavya, we have to get a just example of this, like this. So next time we will this Vyakarana Shastragnaha part. Okay. Granthakara.
Yeah.
So Samapana.
Patanjali.
Yeah. Okay, let me do the prasna. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let me stop.
Dhanyavadam.